Good morning students. Again we study chapter 2 for operations, third part multiplication. Third part multiplication. Then 375 multiply by 4. First we multiply this. 5 is multiplied by 4, we get 20 carrying 2. Then 4 multiplied 7, we get 28, or we add carrying also 30, carrying 3, 3 4 ja 12, 12 plus 3 15. Here this first number is called multiplicand. What? Multiplicand. Then the second number is called multiplier. The result is called product. What is a multiplicand? The number being multiplied is called, the number being multiplied is called multiplicand. The number by which the multiplicand is called multiplier. The number being multiplied is called multiplicand. The number by which we multiplicand is called multiplier. The result of two multiplicand and multiplier is called product. The result of, in both, the result is called product. Understand? This 375 is multiplicand, 4 is multiplier, and this result is called product. Again, what is multiplicand? The number being multiplied is called multiplicand. The number by which the multiplicand is called multiplier. The product is called, the result of the multiplicand and multiplier is called product. Then properties of multiplication. First, order property. First, order property. Then, in order property, we multiply in any order. The two numbers are multiplied in any order. The product is not changed. The product is not changed. That property is called order property. That is 15 multiply 4 is equal to 60. Then 4 multiply 15 is equal to 60. Understand? The two numbers are in multiply in any order. The result is not changed. That property is called order property. Second, grouping property. Three or more numbers, more numbers are grouped in any group, any order. The result is not changed. That is, for example, 60 multiply 5 multiply 2. Three or more numbers multiply in any order. The result is not changed. First I group 60 and 5. Then multiply by 2. Here 300 multiply 2 is 600. The product is 600. Another group 5 multiply 2. First we do this. 60 multiply 5 to 10 is equal to 600. Both answer is same. Yes or no? Yes. This grouping property is called grouping property. What is grouping property? We group 3 or more numbers grouped in any order. The product is not changed. The result is not changed. That property is called grouping property. Then third property of 0. Third property of 0. 0 property. Zero property. Listen. We multiply by any number with 0. The result is always the 0. The result is always 0. That is 375 multiply 0 is equal to 0. Then 4 lakh multiply by 0 is equal to 0. Understand 0 property? Yes. Next property of 1. Property of 1. Here we multiply by any number with 1. We multiply by any number with 1. The result is the number itself. The result is the number itself. Here 375 multiply 1 is equal to 375. This property is called property of 1. This property is called property of 1. Then next, multiplication by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. And so on. Multiplication by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. And so on. Here, अब listen here. 75 multiply 10. Here we multiply by 10. We put, first we write 75 multiply 1, 75. This is the property, 75. We put how many 0 in 10? 1 0. We put 1 0 in the right hand side of the answer. Okay, here write. What is our answer? 750. Then again we multiply by 100. 75 multiply by 100. Then first you multiply this. 75 1 ja 75. How many 0 put? 2 zeros. Which side? Right hand side of this number. Understand? Yes. Next again 75 multiply by 1000. How many zeros you put? How many zeros? 3. 75 1 ja 75. How many zeros put? 3 zeros. Understand? Then next I ask 75 multiply by 10,000. How many zeros you put? 4 zeros. Very good. 4 zeros we put. Understand? Then multiplication by 10, 20, 30, 300, 500, this. Then 74 multiply by 300. Suppose, for example here, 74 multiply by 300. First you multiply only 74 and 3. You don't take these zeros. Understand? Then you write here in the side of the notebook, then multiply 74, multiply 3. Only you take only the number, don't take the zeros. 4 3 ja 12, carrying 1, 3 7 ja 21, 21 plus 1, 22. Then you write here 2 2 2. How many zeros here? 2 zeros. You put 2 zeros. Understand? One more example. 15 multiply 4000. Okay? Then first you multiply 15 multiply 4. Okay? Then 4 5 ja 20, carrying 2, 4 1 ja 4, 4 plus 2 6. Then you write 60. How many zeros here left? 3 zeros put. Understand? Understand all students? Then solving problems. The cost of one book is rupees 480. Okay. Find the cost of 12 books. First you read the question. The cost of one book is rupees 480. Find the cost of 12 books. Find the cost of 12 books. Understand the question? Here one come. The cost of one book. The cost of one book is 1. 1 given, many you find. 1 given, many find. Therefore, this question is in multiplication. How to identify this is multiplication or division? How to identify you? Here 1. First you read, then underline the main point. 1 book, 1 given, then many find. Many find. Therefore, this question is multiplication. This question is multiplication. Then previous class we study what are the words not come in statement. How many, how much, find, what. These words are not come in statement. First we write solution. The cost of one book. One book is equal to how much? Rupees 480. Second line, the cost of 12 books is equal to rupees 480 multiply 12. Then you multiply this number in your side of the notebook. 480 multiply 12. The directly you multiply in this, then you write 2 0 ja 0, 2 8 ja 16, carrying 1, 2 4 ja 8, 8 plus 1 9. Then one's place is here n. Then we take in tens place. First you put a 0 in one's place. Don't put in cross. You put a 0 in one's place. Then you start 1 0 ja 0, 1 8 ja 8, 1 4 ja 4. Then you add this number 0, 6, 17. Then carrying 1, then 5. Then what is our answer? Rupees 5,760. Then final answer, hence rupees 5,760 in the cost is the cost of 12 books. Understand this? All students understand you? This is the solving problem. One given, many find. This is multiplication. Which are the words not coming? WH words, that is how much, how many, find, what. These words are not coming statement. Okay. I give some homework. You do this question. Okay. Thank you. Oh my God.